What's up, everybody? Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with an HO scale update. I have not done one of these in quite some time. As you can see, I've got 1446 pulling the freight around the night, and all the bottom deck has been deep clean. I actually vacuumed the whole area with the vacuum cleaner and got it all cleaned up. And I've also been doing some repairs to some cars and also did some maintenance on the engines. The Southern car you see just got its wheels cleaned. I brought some cars out of storage. The train will continue on. The Southern, the short covered hopper got its wheels cleaned, and the Norfolk Southern caboose actually got some new Bachmann wheels on there. So it's now running pretty smooth on the layout. And I also have a little scene here with an old water tower with the Texaco tanker. I recently fixed that little tower with a little bit of hot glue. I've tested all the engines. I've got a few of them out from when I was testing them. And I have done a little bit of rearranging here on the downtown scene. I've moved some cars around, changed some directions, and the big White House that was over there about a year or so ago, that's now in the N-scale layout. And I've added one of the trees over there in that back corner. And I even changed the little car show slash bands like a little church festival. I've changed that a little bit. I even did some cleaning up on this side and rearranged the construction equipment. So I've been really pleased on what this has been able to turn out to be. And I've got some other projects on the workbench as well. I'll show you that in a couple of minutes. Love these little GP15-1s that Walters Trainline made. That has DCC in it, so you're just hearing the little winding noise of the motor, and that's all you're hearing. Alright, now I'm going to get up for a second. And I'm going to show you some of the projects I've been working on. I've got several projects up here on the bench. The Western Union car is going to get a couple new Bachmann wheels. The C-Train car, as you can see, this truck up here was faded. I've gone back and taken some spray paint and touched that up. That truck's going to get some new wheels. One of the cars, this is the old Southern Pacific car I had with the other set. That's going to get some new metal wheels. This is an old Mantua. The Exact Rail chassis car is going to get some new wheels. And your Union Equity car is going to get some new wheels as well with new trucks. This one's going to get an overhaul. So I've got a few projects in the lineup here. And I'm just going to be getting some parts in and going to have some fun with that. So the shop has actually been working on some HO projects, which I'm very, very glad to see. You can see the train is bending around the curve and get ready to go into the downtown sector. And all the track was cleaned and did a couple little repairs to the crossing, which one of the levers had popped out, just pushed it back in, and pretty much everything was put right back where it was. So and the Norfolk Southern covered hopper had some ladder work done, a little bit of cosmetic work. So that's back on the rails. And I'm slowly going through some cars that I never really got to inspect when I first got back into HO. So I've been going back and fixing some cars that I never got a chance to fix. So anyway, guys, that concludes this little update here. I hope you guys enjoyed. And just remember, smash the like button, drop the comment down below, and hit that subscribe button. And we'll be doing some operating sessions with the HO stuff really soon. So with that, you guys, I hope you all enjoyed, and I'd like to thank you all so much for watching. Happy model railroading, guys. Take care.